designer out there. I've watched his videos from time to time, and today I'm going to turn him into a movie star.
Just added a vest and another sidearm.
Photoshop battles are back, and come here. I had an idea to create something a little bit more special than the usual ones I make. To take on a project like this, there's a couple of steps that we need to take. So let's start from the beginning. First, let's get into Photoshop and make a couple of changes to his image.
For the Benny image, I didn't really want to change anything unlike the other ones that I've done before. I just added a vest and another sidearm to it, and it seemed a bit simple. So I added something that actually looked like pockets to this. I didn't want to change the color of the clothing, but I had to, because what I had in mind didn't really fit the color of his hoodie. I didn't want to change the hoodie at all, so I didn't. After adding shadows and highlights, I came up with this.
Next, the title. So I already reached out to a friend and he sent me this, The Grand Heist, which is actually better than some of the things that I had in mind. You really don't want to know what I had in mind.
The Grand Heist. Now it's looking great. Let's enlarge the heist. Add this red bar underneath it. Kind of looks like Money Heist, don't you think? This seems light, so let's add this overlay. Make it look raw to give it a little bit of texture to it. Beautiful. Now that we have added that, it's good. Now we have the title card. I came up with a little something for this edit. Main character is an incredible art thief, one of the best in the world, and he's planning on putting up the greatest art theft in history. But he can't do it. For the other characters, this is my lineup. Kevin Hart as the best friend and the funny character in the group. Gal Gadot as the incredible fighter and the love interest. Please forgive me, I really don't know how to pronounce her name that much. If you can, I don't know what to say right now. I can't tell you guys to send a voice note because this is a video. And finally, Robert Downey Jr. as a retired cop doing everything he can to catch the main character. For these characters, I didn't really change anything. I just added a few things to Kevin Hart and changed the color of their clothing to match what I had in mind. Since making this actually a trial and error, I can't really tell you guys how I did. Just watch and see how many mistakes I made before I actually got something going for this one.